Now I'm going to show you a past verb form that actually situates two actions that are in progress in the past and puts them in the same sentence. It's called past continuous, or some grammar books call it past progressive. So let's start with this form. I was walking on the street. The past continuous form has the verb be in the past. That's why it's called past continuous. And like other continuous verbs, it uses the next verb written with ing. So whenever you see continuous as a verb form, first of all, if it's past continuous, the be is going to be in the past. If it's present continuous, the be will be in present. And if it's future continuous, the be will be in the future. So right now we're just looking at the past continuous. Package deal, be is in the past, and the next verb has ing. Now the thing is, what I like to do is demonstrate that the past continuous is something was happening, is two actions. Something was happening in the past, and it's intersected by another action. So something was happening in the past at the same time that something else happened. That's the significant difference between simple past and past continuous. Simple past, it just stays in the past and it was finished. Whereas past continuous always look for two actions that intersect, two actions happening in the past. And here's another clue. Many times there's going to be a connecting word. First of all, I'm going to have two actions in the past. I was walking on the street, it rained. The connecting word puts these two actions in the same time. I was walking on the street when it rained. It doesn't have to be limited to a simple past sentence. It can also be referring to another past continuous sentence. For example, I was walking on the street when my dog was barking. So that will work. Or you can use other words such as, or while. All of those work. So the clue is to look for some sort of connecting word. It's not limited to that. There might be other connecting words, but these are some of the common ones that will put two situations in the past together happening at the same time. Now, there are two reasons why we would not use the past continuous and only use simple past. Here's one of them. Referring to a state. When I was little, I had long hair. That was my look, my state, my condition. We would not use past continuous. It was finished and that stays finished. So here's another one. Don't forget, these are not going to work. Here's another one. Does not work with past continuous. When I went to secondary school, I walked there. It was a habit. So habits do not work with past continuous. And they're finished actions. So the two go together, finished action, they were habits, no past continuous. Okay.